Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you exactly why I stopped trading meme coins completely and started creating them instead, and how that decision alone turned into hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month in profits. Because trading meme coins was never consistent for me. I would find a coin, buy in, and then I would get completely wrecked because I got work pulled. So that's why I stopped trading and I started diving them instead. Now I am the one launching these coins and making thousands of dollars of profits on each launch from the creator fees. In this video, I am showing you every single step into creating a coin. I will show you how to find a viral narrative and then how to launch the coin. I will even do a live launch on camera to show you how it's done from my perspective. And guys, look at my Phantom wallet. I've literally made all this money from launching meme coins. I do know what I'm doing and I know what I'm talking about. In this video, I will be showing you every single step into making a viral coin. I am not here to sell you anything. I'm here to show you how it's done. Let's go. Now, here's exactly why I hate trading meme coins in 2026. I hate buying meme coins just to end up getting completely wrecked by the creator of the coin. I would buy meme coins normally hoping to make profits, but the complete opposite happened. I got dumped on and I became exit liquidity. This is exactly why you guys have to stay away from trading, okay? It's too risky, okay? You are putting too much on the line, and instead you guys have to create these coins instead. You have nothing to lose because it costs nothing to create these coins and it's repeatable. You can launch as many coins as you want, okay? That is exactly why I love launching. All I do all day is I go online, I look for viral narratives, I turn them into meme coins, and then I cash out when the meme coin is hot and extremely high in market cap. Now in this video, I will be doing a live launch. Like I said, I will be showing you the A to Z blueprint. I am not here to waste your time. I'm here to show you how it's done. So keep watching if you want to become profitable right now. And by the way, guys, I do not claim to be a financial advisor. I am not at all. I do not condone any financial advice. Although I do make money from deving, yes, okay, I am legit. It's all for educational purposes only. Now here's exactly where I make my meme coins on to reach the most amount of people possible to buy my meme coins. I make my coins on a launchpad called launchmemes.io, right? By launching your coins here, your meme coins are going to go directly to Radium. It's going to immediately migrate right here under Radium Dex, reaching thousands and even tens and thousands of people. By launching your coins here, bro, look at this. Most meme coins on Radium actually do really well compared to Pump.Fun. Like, look at the numbers, they're absolutely insane. They're all exponentially going up, and that is exactly why I launch here. I've seen a lot of success by launching on Radium, but Pump.Fun though, most meme coins go absolutely nowhere. No one buys them, no one sees them, okay? Like, I used to launch here and I saw no results just because no one buys your coins and because they control your liquidity pool. So stay away from Pump.Fun and launch on Radium using launchmemes.io. Now, making a meme coin on launchmemes.io is extremely easy. If you have a narrative in mind, you can create your own coin just like any other launchpad like Pump.Fun, right? So it's really easy. Just invent a name, symbol, image, and your coin is actually launched, right? Or you can use my favorite method, which is copying coins. So instead of creating coins from scratch, you can just copy ones that are already working. All these meme coins right here are all going viral and all gaining a bunch of traction and momentum on Pump.Fun. They're all proven basically. They all have good narratives. So we are going to be copying one coin here back to Radium and using that meme coin that we copied to our advantage to make money. That's exactly how I make money most of the time, and you guys will see with a live launch right now. So guys, let's stop yapping and let's start making money, right? Let's copy a coin basically. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? Like that you can interact and actually launch coins and then cash out. And let's copy a coin. Don't worry about the narrative, okay? Just go for anything, they're all good. I'm gonna go for like this one, for example, Rockstar Games. Click on copy to Radium. Ignore the block. This is normal. Every launchpad will get this warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be actually minted on Solana. Okay, so like I said, just copy a random coin, they're all good. Boom, and let's create the liquidity pool. But first of all, as you guys can see, it's minted on chain, everything is legit and everything is working. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now for the amount of supply for your coin, click on 90%. I do 90% of the supply for all my launches and it works perfectly. It's perfect. Okay, just click on that preset. For the dev buy for yourself, which is the amount of SOL to pair, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL, which is like the perfect amount. Anything in between those numbers is perfect. You are not going to lose this Solana. You will get it back later once you cash out, so don't worry about it. Okay, click on create pool. Your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be actually live after the pop-up. Okay, boom, it is actually live. Click on refresh once, and as you guys can see, everything is working. Okay, now people are able to see your coin and buy in. You have European now here, you have your Porto, you have everything here. Let's go see the chart. Go on any trading platform that you use and go find your meme coin on Radium, and as you guys can see, boom, oh my god, it's already pumping. People are buying in already. As you guys can see, people are aping in. Now look, if we click on refresh, you guys can see, boom, we're already up $159 within seconds of the launch. Like right there is proof of concept that copying coins is insane, bro. Like it's untapped. Like, yo, this is insane. All you have to do from now on is just let your coin pump, let it simmer, let people buy in, and when it's really high, then now you can cash out. So when I come back, I will show you how much we made and how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back after like a couple minutes, as you guys can see, and bro, it's insane. The volume on Rhythm is absolutely insane. Okay, we're up so much. Now it's up to you if you want to cash out or not. I'm gonna just cash out to make this video short. So come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, boom, we're up 2.8k in profits. That is absurd. Click on the minus button, the red button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the warning, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of our meme coin. Boom, we just cashed out. And then look, in my phantom wallet, boom, $2,800 in my phantom wallet for educational purposes only. Launch memes will be linked down below, bro. It's the best launch pad for Radium, bro, trust me. Just stay consistent, just launch over and over again and you will get there. And yeah, bro, good luck to everyone. And if you want to have the chance to win 10 SOL like this lucky winner right here, just like, subscribe and comment and join my free Telegram group and you will be entered into the giveaway. Good luck.